Hello my friends, this video introduces our AE380D Digital Soldering Station. As you can see here, this station integrates the iron handle with the cleaning sponge and also the brass put here inside to clean the tip very easily. So the function setting is very similar, so we can long press to enter the menu, which has temperature locking, auto sleep functions, unit change from degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit, and the calibrations and the programming. So when we select one menu, for example, we select the auto standby locking and single press the knob, and we enter the setting on, off. We just turn around the knob. For example, I turn on the locking functions and single press to on the knob, and the temperature locking function is turned on. So long press the knob to exit the menu. Now I cannot change the temperature. So when I turn around the knob and the screen will show lock, right? So again, long press the knob to enter the menu, single press to select on or off. Now I turn on the locking function. So the function setting is very easy. Just long press to the function and rotate the knob to the parameter setting. For example, turn on the sleep, single press the knob to enter the parameter setting. Rotate the knob on, off. So it's very easy. Turn on, single press to exit the menu, long press to exit the setting menu and show the temperature, right? Very easy. The unit we can switch to Fahrenheit degrees Celsius. So long press to exit the change. Now change to 662 Fahrenheit degree, right? So long press, single press to enter the setting and rotate the knob to degrees Celsius. Single press to exit the menu and long press to show the temperature. And calibration is also same. Switch to calibration, single press, and we can set to 50 and also another 50. So when you feel the temperature is not safe, it's not precise, then we can use this function. So to save and exit. So this station is very simple, plastic case. We can also do your OEM logo. We have enough space to have long logos, right? And also we can have a silver sticker here to customize different labels as you need. Now the functions of this station is that there is a optional as a tip reel where we can use a less than 50 gram soldering wire, right, to exit wire, and then we can guide the thin wire to this hole, and then the thin will goes out here. You can see here the holes here, so we can solder easily, right? And optionally, we have two helping arms. So we leave her here. Right. So you can use this sticker. Now, so it's very easy with your helping hands to clip the PCBA and then solder with the tin here, right? So that is it. If you have more questions, please let me know. And the temperature range from 100 to 500 degrees Celsius. Very wide range of the temperature range to fit for different projects. So contact us if you have more questions. Thank you.